Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Gusty winds bring down power lines, cause outages. Problems expected to continue through night. Strong gusty winds led to power outages across New Hampshire on Monday, with more than 6,000 customers without power by noon. Most of the outages were in the western part of the state and along the seacoast. More than 1,000 of the outages were reported in Derry on Kindle Pond Road. A branch fell on a wire and caught fire. A neighbor said the fire was extinguished, but it started up again when the wind gusts came through. The number of outages increased through the morning, and state officials said they expect problems to continue. We expect winds all day long, all night. So when people come home and they don't have power, they're going to end up calling their utility company. So we may see a spike in outages go up after people come home, said Jennifer Harper, Assistant Director of New Hampshire Homeland Security. Harper recommended that anyone without power call the utility to ensure that the address is reported. As long as the strong wind gusts continue, utility crews won't be able to go up in bucket trucks, which could delay repairs. Utility officials also warned people to stay away from any downed lines and always assume they are alive. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.